Hello, hello, my virtual home. I hope today meets you well, and I want to welcome you guys back to another episode. So today I am back with you with another product review. And I must say I am excited about this product review because the application of this product is so broad that you guys, I believe, is just going to love what I have to show you today. So, without further ado, we're going to be doing the unboxing and a pre-product review of the Kaisi Precision Screwdriver Tool Set. So, this is our product, which is our versatile screwdriver set. This set is going to apply to the professional all the way to the amateur, guys. So I'm very excited to be presenting this tool set to you guys, and I'm very, very excited to open this tool set and for us to see what is inside. First of all, I do want to say that a lot of times you can save a lot of money just by repairing your own electronics at home, and this tool set is going to be the best combination set that you're going to need, where you would never ever have to buy another precision tool set. So yeah, this is going to be the complete tool set that you're going to need for any electronic repair job across multiple devices, guys. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So I have my handy dandy knife here. Very handy dandy. And so this box has a little tab here that together we will cut off. Let's get that out there. We're done with this. Alright, so we put our knife to the side. We've got our box all cut open. Again, this is the look at the product. Guys, I will provide the link to this product in the description. I do want you to go buy this product so that you can prepare for any electronic hardware job that you have to do. This is the tool set for you, okay? So, at first look, I see a little pouchy device. Okay, so we're gonna I looked, and this pouch is actually made of Oxford. It's actually going to be a very, very durable pouch. This is a really nice pouch. I actually like it. So let me know, do you think this is a fashionable pouch for a tool set? It has a little background design. Yes, guys, I like it. It's a zip pouch. So let's put this to the side. So we're going to be taking things out of the bag, and then we'll go a little bit deeper as far as like what's here, okay? So right here we have a user guide. So this model is going to be KS9126. So we got the KS9126 model here, guys, and this is going to be our user guide. So this is going to be very handy. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Continuing on, we have this product, and here the box is empty. Woohoo! We got far, right? So we have this handy dandy product that is wrapped in this paper. Oh, okay. So we do have a ruler here. So that's going to be awesome, guys. Okay, centimeter, millimeter ruler here. So let's put that to the side. This case, I do like the branding right here. It has our model number right there. The case itself at first look seems to be very durable and also just handy. It's very handy. The products inside of the case do not seem to be too heavy, so I think that's an awesome thing. Yeah, so this is going to be our 136 piece kit, but in this case there's going to be 126 pieces. So I think we have more to review in this case. Completely combined, we're going to have 136 pieces into this case, guys. When I say complete, this precision set is complete and ready for any electronic that you throw its way. So we're going to be moving to this little workstation so we can take a deeper look at what's inside of this precision screwdriver set. Alright, so you guys follow me over here. And we should land at this little table, which is going to be something like our little workstation. So, continuing on with our review, we have this little pouch. So at first we did see that we do have the ruler here. It comes in its own little pack, and I believe it should just slide out. So let's get that. So yeah, we have this kind of metal ruler going on, guys. I think it's high quality. I like it. So we'll put this to the side. Alright, guys. Alright. So we have a little a towel that we would use, and also we have this thing right here, and we're going to talk about what's all in this kit. Right now we're just kind of doing a first look. These tweezers, they do clamp pretty good. The quality looks good. Yeah, so that's that. Alright, so now we have a magnetizer on one end, and then we have a demagnetizer on the other end. Very important, guys, for working with technology and, you know, just being a tech. You do need to magnetize and demagnetize sometimes, removing the static from our job, okay? Alright, so we have these little sheets right here. And guys, let's talk about the application of these products in the comments, okay? So if you see your favorite product, let me know. We do have this handy dandy, and again, it is a bit flimsy, but I think that's great for its utility when you're working with things where you have to have a little bit of flexibility. That's always great. Alright. Who knew I would have needed my scissors? Well, this is looking like a fun piece. And it looks like it can actually slide up too. So let's just see how practical that is. If I can get it on first rip, it's practical. And it kind of clicks for you. So that's a good little blade for you, for all those cutting jobs. And then it also protectively slips back. And when it clicks no more, you know it's safely in there. Very safely in there. Sometimes when you click down some of these blades, you have a little piece right here at the top that kind of sticks out, or be real close to the top. I like how this goes all the way down, giving you at least a ½ inch away from the top there. So it also has this little thing right here where you can hook it onto your clothing. So this is going to be a very good utility blade, and you might even use this for other jobs, maybe not even electronic repair, but this is a good blade to have. Okay, then we have this. I like these little pouches, guys. I really do. Oh, this is quality. It feels very nice, guys. Also like the branding on that. It's a number 16 device. I6. Okay, that's awesome, guys. Yeah, I'm actually an amateur tech right now, so some of these pieces I don't know much about, but I do know these are tweezers. I do like how they have that bend, and I want you guys to take a look at how good that end piece is. It's actually awesome, guys. It's almost perfect how it closes, and it'll clamp. It looks like it'll clamp even the smallest of jobs, guys. Alright, so it comes with this little plastic tip, so it's going to protect the tweezer end piece and also keep them closed. Alright, so we have this little marker device. This is cool. Again, if you guys know the application of these devices, let's talk about it. Alright, so that's all that's in this little pouch. Okay? So we're going to put everything back in its home. Close everything back up. Okay. Put our ruler back in here. Alright. Alright, everything is getting back in its place, okay? Put our magnetizer back, our tweezers back. Zip this bad boy on up. The zipper also feels durable, guys. Alright, so right now we have the kits that we was working with. This kit, again, is very handy, guys. It's a very handy kit. Very handy. So let's open it up together so we can get a good first look. First thing I'm noticing is the Velcro. Yeah, the first thing I'm noticing on this kit, outside of the branding, so you can go to open it, it has a very strong Velcro. Very strong Velcro there, guys. And this is how it's opening up so far. Alright, so let me see. So this is our kit. These are our bits. Okay, and it's going to include 111 bits. I like these little flaps right here. So it's going to have 111 bits right here. And we're going to have the Phillips, the flatheads, Torx securities, and the Pentalobe, and more. So these are going to be all the bits right here. It also tells you the sizes so you're not confused on which one you're picking up. So outside of the bits, I'll just pull out these other pieces piece by piece. Have you guys have a first look. Okay. Next up, we have this. Alright. Next up, this one. Next up, looks like we have another piece of tweezers, another set of tweezers. And again, I love this little protector right here. And again, the end piece is very precision-like. It's really quality. The tip actually comes together. Very nice. Okay. Next up, those teeth are pretty soft. All right. And these actually have a little turn mechanism on them. So it's going to be a little bit of help as you're unscrewing with those bits. And then these pieces are going to be ergonomic, guys, so they do take account that you are working and you want to be safe and convenient and comfortable. I'm very excited about this, guys, because I do like to do tech repair, hardware repair, and now I get to do a variety of jobs and go from amateur to professional, because this is totally a professional kit. You're not going to need anything else. I mean, guys, we have well enough of these. Like that little watermark on them. I don't know if you'll see that. Okay. Alright Alright guys, so I do thank you guys for joining me. And again, I'm going to have the link to these tools in the description, guys. But again, this is a high quality kit that we have here, guys. This is from amateur to professional. And let me know what you think. That's our layout of this pack. Everything you could ever need. Whether you're working on the PC, whether you're working on an Xbox, a PlayStation 2, any type of console, whether you're working on an iPhone, iPad, whatever you're working on, this thing can definitely, this kit right here, will definitely be able to give you the tools that you need. A lot of times when you need to do a computer or electronic repair, YouTube is a great place to look for tutorials. And outside of looking at those tutorials, you know that with this kit, you're going to have everything you need in one good place. This kit is awesome, guys. I really do like it, and I really do hope you will too. So we do have 2 storage cases. In between these cases, everything fits in. It does. Everything do fit in both of these cases, and we have 136 pieces here, guys. Everything that you're ever going to need. So I do encourage you guys to click the link below. Go ahead and visit Amazon for the cheapest price on this, and go ahead and get you your precision toolkit. I think everybody is going to need this kit. It really doesn't matter who you are, because in this age we deal with so many electronics. And YouTube is such a great resource for tutorials. So as long as you have your tools, then you can fix all of your problems yourself and save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on electronic repair, guys. You don't have to throw away your devices anymore. And actually, I am starting a repair business, guys. So, yeah, reach out to me in the comments. Let's talk about the business part of this and how you can even start your own business, being the repair person in your area, in your state, in your community, in your city. Plenty of people need to fix their phone screens, laptop screens, all type of device problems, guys. This is a complete kit, guys. Nothing else is going to be needed for an electronic repair. So I do want to thank you guys for tuning in to me with me for this review. Now let's talk about a little bit more about what comes into this kit. Alright, so as we saw, you have 111 screwdriver bits from Phillips to flathead, pentalobe, and more. You're going to have a handlebar, which we did see. We saw everything. You have an extension bar that we saw. You have the flexible extension shaft. You have the anti-static wristband that we saw early on. You have the ultra-thin steel pudger. We did see that. And then you have the fiber nylon and plastic pudgers. Then you have the triangle plastic picks. You have tweezers. Actually, we saw 2 sets of tweezers. And then this guy, like I said, is completely re-engineered to provide you all the tools that you will need and none that you don't. Guys, this is awesome, guys. So, let me know what you think about this product review. Go ahead and run over to Amazon and get you one. Again, handy dandy. It can fit in your car. It can fit in your utility bag or right here in your hand, guys. You have everything you need for your computer repair. Thanks again for tuning in with my virtual home, and I'll see you guys on my next product review. You have a wonderful day.